Hey y'all, I am back with another review video for sleek braid wig. Oh my gosh, I really loved my side braided wig. It was so many commentators. They had so many negative things to say, but who cares? You hoes can't even spell Africa, period. I'm not a dreadlock queen, but I'm a dreadlock queen today. Yes I am, yes I am. Welcome to Jump Rock with the kings of condom. Bootleg bleach knots. What it is? What's up? What's up? Got your cut. Ah, damn. But anywho, let's get into this little wig or whatever. Who ain't bleached their knots? I didn't. Period. And I already know they gonna be in my comments about this wig too. And I just don't care. I don't care. Don't care. That's how you gonna make the lace disappear in real life. Real life, real goals, real life. Like, show me the lace, please. Please. And for all y'all hating who be in the comments like, oh, I'm so tired of this braided wig trend. I'm so tired of it. And I don't care. But no, for real, like, I'm gonna sit down for 6 hours to get my hair done just to take it out in 3 more days. Not gonna happen. Anywho, if you would like to purchase this wig, like I said the last time, you hoes can't even spell Africa. If you're very inexperienced with wigs, this might not be the option for you. And I'm just saying that because like the way this wig is made, it's like very creative, by the way. It's a frontal attached with a like mesh kind of net, and they crocheted the dreads in the back. Now these are actually like installed on the frontal, but in the back, it's like mesh, like crocheted on. And if you don't have experience, you're gonna be very afraid and you're gonna be like, what the F is this? But like, it's so easy to install. Like, it's easy for a middle part, side part. Like, if you wanna change the part, just do what I did. part it down the middle, get your mousse, flatten it down, put your scarf on top, and blow dry it really hot until it just lays, just like this. Now, like I said, if you're inexperienced with wigs, don't start off with this wig, but I'm loving this. Like at first, I was like, I don't know if I'ma like this, but this is real cute.